The purpose of this video is to explain the story problem that will be assigned to you today. And so after watching the video explaining the story problem, you're going to click here for the Google assignment. And again, you need to make sure that you are going to make a copy, and then you are going to also share it with me. So again, you'll click here, you'll start typing my name. You need to make sure and choose the one that says stpaul.k12.mn.us. All right, so this is the story problem. It says 28 students are planning to go on the class field trip to the zoo. If the school has to rent vans that hold 8 students each to transport them to the zoo, how many vans must they rent? So there are 6 vans here, but you may not need them all. So, and there are 28 children here. So what you need to do is you need to figure out how many, if each van holds 8 students, so like this one holds 8, this one holds 8, this one holds 8, how many vans will they need to rent so that all of the kids can go to the zoo? You can move these around if you want to. You can circle and make groups of 8. You can do whatever you want to figure out how many vans you will need. And all you're going to do is just put at the end here, you're going to type in here how many vans that will be needed. Then again, just make sure that you shared it with me so that I can give it a grade.